Hey, have you been working out a lot lately? Or could your back use some cooling, soothing relief? In this video, me and Shyla are going to teach you how to use essential oils and natural ingredients to create your own cooling and soothing massage oil.
To make this recipe, you'll want to grab your October recipe box.
Find your labels and recipe cards. And you'll be using menthol crystals in this adorable serum container. Isn't it so cute?
Oh yeah, this is cute.
For oils, we are going to be using fir needle, cajeput, and eucalyptus essential oil.
And from your big bonus box, you're gonna wanna grab your fractionated coconut oil. All right, so you're gonna wanna grab a teaspoon and add 2 teaspoons of the fractionated coconut oil to a jar.
Now we're gonna heat this up to be able to melt our menthol crystals. Next, we're gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon of menthol crystals to our hot coconut oil. 1/8 of a teaspoon is the same as a pinch. We don't recommend touching menthol crystals with your hands to measure a pinch. I'm using a 1/4 teaspoon and filling it halfway. Now we'll stir to dissolve the menthol crystals.
Now that that's dissolved, I'm gonna add 6 drops of the fir needle, 2 drops of cajeput, and 2 drops of eucalyptus.
Now we'll stir to make sure those essential oils are well diluted. And then we can pour it into our serum container. This makes a little bit more than what your serum container will hold, so keep that in mind as you're pouring. Add the cap and label it, and you're ready to go. An important thing to note about this recipe is that it uses a 5% dilution rate. That's a little bit higher of a dilution rate. It's not something you want to use daily because it can cause irritation if you're using it too often. Instead, only use it when you need it.
Also, another quick tip, you are not gonna wanna put it on sensitive areas, so make sure you keep it away from your eyes, nose, and mouth. All right, so now that we got the label, to use it, just unscrew the top. You're gonna wanna pinch this top guy so that you get a few drops. I've been having problems with my elbow lately, so I'm gonna try putting some there and just rub it in.
And it'll create a cooling and soothing effect.
So for more recipes just like this, to make your home toxin-free, go to simplyearth.com/box and hit that subscribe now button.
You'll love making recipes with essential oils with confidence and clarity.
Thanks for watching.
That menthol and the essential oils can be irritating to sensitive areas, like Shyla described.